Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just created this all product and edit product part of my online shopping project. If you are not seen that video, just go to the description and check out the link. In this video, I'm going to write the codes for the users module home part. So let us start. I think logout is also not working. So first we need to write the code for the logout. So let's move to the IDE. And in the web content, just right click and new and move to the GSP. And here we just need to write log out.jsp, click on finish. Okay, after that delete this all line, and here we have to write the codes for the logout. Okay, and here we have to write session dot invalidate. Here you can see we are deleting all the values from the session. After that, we are sending the response.send redirect to a login page. Okay, so this should be login.jsp page. Okay, now let's connect this page with others. So first we are going to connect with the admin header.jsp page. Here we just need to write log out.jsp. And one more thing, we are in the admin folder, so we need to go back from this folder. So here we have to just write dot dot and this one. Okay, let's check it out, it's working or not. Let's refresh this page. We are refreshing this. After that, let's click on logout. Okay, we are getting error. Okay, I don't think we are able to refresh it correctly. Let's try again. Here you can see we are able to move to the login page. Okay, and now let's minimize this again, and let's close the admin header, and we need to also minimize this admin folder. And in this we have a header page. So here we can see header.jsp. This one is for the users. Okay, so first we are going to write here log out.jsp page. Okay, in the header. After that, we have to write the code in the first. We already have this error.jsp page. So if any error occurs, so the response should be sent to this page. After this, we have to write the codes for the home page. So here we have home.jsp page. Here you can see that, and in this we have to write the code. So just delete this first line. Okay, after that, first what we need to do is we just need to copy these 4 lines here. Okay, and after that we just need to change it according to our this one. So here we have a header. This one you can see header.jsp page. After that, footer should be also only this, because we have a footer here. Here you can see footer.jsp page. Okay, and let's log in with gaurav@gmail.com, and the password is I think 1234. Let's click on login. Yeah, here we can see we are able to successfully move here. So we are not seeing any other option. We will fix all these things one by one. So let's minimize this. Okay, after that, before writing any codes, one more thing. Here we see in header we have to display here the email address. So we will fix that, and also we going to connect with this home page with this button. So let's connect that first. So move to the header, and in header here we have to retrieve the value from the session string email equals to session dot get attribute, and in between we have to write email dot to string. Okay, after this we have to display that value. So we just need to write here and out dot print ln, and in between this we just need to write email. Okay, and let's again move here, refresh this page. Here you can see gaurav@gmail.com. Okay, let's minimize again, and we also need to connect with the home.jsp page. Okay, and let's click on this. We will refresh this page, but we are still on this same page. Okay, let's minimize this and again move to the home.jsp page. And here, first we are going to write the codes for this messages. After that, we will move forward. Okay, so first we need to get the message. So string msg equals to request. Okay, request dot get parameter, this one, and in this we just need to write msg. Okay, after that, if condition added dot equals msg in between this. After that, we have to start the bracket, and after this we also need to close this bracket. Okay, and let's copy this line of the code here again and just delete this line of the code from here, and we just need to write here exist. Okay, if the product already exists, so we are going to increase the quantity. So here we are using this if condition to display that. After that, we just need to copy this again here. Okay, after that, again we need to copy this part to display the. Okay, this option should be not visible. Okay, let's copy this, and here we just need to change the message in valid, and just copy this. Okay, and here paste we. After that, we also need to change this something went wrong, try again. Okay, and let's save this. So we have there you can see we have three conditions. According to that, message get changes. So let's refresh this. You can see that get removed from here. Okay, now move a little bit down here. After that, we have to write the codes from the line number 50. Okay, 49 you can say. Now here we have to first start with this, and we have to retrieve the data from database. So try block try, and after that we have to create the connection. So connection con equals to connection provider class con. Okay, this should be connection provider dot get con, this one. After that, we have to write statement sorry statement, this one. St equals to con dot create statement. Okay, we are getting error. We are not able to create. Okay, let's write first catch block so that we can see it. Okay, catch exception. Okay, after that, here we are again searching for the create. Still we are not getting, so just write this create statement. Okay, and still okay, we are writing a connection, spelling is wrong, so that's why we are getting error. So connection con equals to, now again let's search for this create a statement. Yeah, we are getting options. Okay, that was my mistake, sorry. Now again move to right here, result set rs equals to st dot execute query, this one. Select star from product, and where clause active, that should be active, then we are able to see that product here. So yes, after that semicolon, and after that this we have to write while rs dot next. So after that we have to start the bracket, and let's delete this part for now. Okay, and in between we have to display one by one details of that product. So equals to rs dot get string, and column 1, let's copy this line of the code, and here we have to need to display 2. Okay, and 3, 3. After that, here we have to display, after this, here we are going to display that. Just delete this and paste it here. 3. After that, 4, the price, I think this one is. And in add product, we just need to display, we don't need to display here anything. We just need to write the code here in href. So first we need to send the, like when we click on add to cart, let's go here and refresh this. Okay, we are getting error because we did not close this, okay, this part. So let's close this first. After that we will discuss about this. Okay, so let's start bracket again, and here we first close for the while, after that close for the try, after that catch, and here we just need to write exception e, and we also need to display that if any error occur, in that case system dot out dot print ln, and here we just need to write here e. Okay, after that let's again move here, let's refresh this, and here we can see that all the products which we have, and when we click on add to product, then it should be moved to some other page with product id. So let's minimize this, and here in href we have to write the code. Before writing that code, we just need to create a page for that. Okay, so just right click on this and click on new JSP, add to cart action dot JSP, sorry, remove dot JSP, just write that. Okay, page has been created. Now again move to the home page, and here we just need to write here add to cart action dot JSP page, and we also need to pass the ID. So question mark ID is equals to, just copy this one because this one is for the ID display, so I'm just writing this here. Okay, and this should be passed with ID. Let's refresh this, and okay, it's taking time, I think connection slow a little bit, not a problem. Let's place here, you can see the left side down, you can see the question mark with ID is equals to 1. Here you can see that. Okay, it's get changes when we move cursor. Okay, so let's minimize here and again move here. So one more thing, in the header you can see there should be a search bar. When we want to search anything for product, we just need to enter here the value and click on search. So let's write the code for that. Let's minimize this and again move to the header and move a little bit down. Okay, and in this we just need to start with like a form, and this should be also a form. Okay, and the method of sending things should be method is equals to, and the post method should be post, and action on which page we are sending this. So we already have a search home.jsp page, so we are going to send the our request to this page whenever we want to search. So we have to just need to click on search home.jsp page. After that, here we have to take a input field, input, and the type is equals to, oh sorry, type is equals to text, and the place holder is equals to search. Okay, and name should be also, here we are taking as a search. After that, here we need a button, so just button, and the type is equals to submit, and after that we also need here to display icons. So for I we are using for that, and in between we are using the class equals to fa space FASEA search. Okay, after that let's again move here, let's refresh this here. Okay, we are able to see one more. It means that we just need to delete this. Okay, we already have. Just delete this. Okay, and just refresh this again. Here you can see we are able to see this. Let's write something, shoes, and let's click on search. Okay, this one you can see we are able to move to the search.jsp page, but we did not added any code, so it's like a page is not visible correctly. So let's write the code in this. So we just need to almost copy all the code from home.jsp page. Let's copy this line of the code from here to that page. Just copy this and paste it here. Okay, I think we did not copy that correctly. Just read this line, we don't need that. Okay, paste it here, and here we just not don't need to display any message, so just leave that. After that we just need to again move here little bit, and after that we have to copy this line of the code from here, try block. Just copy this. Okay, and again move to the search part and paste it here. But here we have to make few modifications. So before that we have to write here int z equals to 0. Okay, and after this we have to also receive a value from URL. So let's write here. Okay, we are not closing here. String search equals to request dot get parameter, and in this search, okay, and after that we have to write here select a star from product where name is equals to name, sorry, it could not equals to name like single. After that we have to insert percent 2 times, and after that in doubles we have to insert plus plus, and here we have to write search. Okay, after that here we just need to copy this line of the code. Okay, and here first we need to write or and space, copy that and change name to category. Okay, and at last we also need to make it as active is compulsory for both, so here I'm just writing and. Okay, so this query is completed. Select a star from product where name like search or category like search and active yes. Okay, after that we'll move to the next line. Okay, we already have while, so we just need to just here in the while condition satisfy. So here we just need to write z is equals to 1. Okay, we are incrementing the value of this whenever it will move to the loop 1. Okay, after that we just need to display the values everywhere. So just copy this 4 lines from here, and this should be exact, so we are just going to delete this and paste it here. Okay, and let's move a little bit down, and after that here you can see we just need to close this. So I'm just copying this value. Okay, let's move it here again, and at the like in the body we just need to copy this. Okay, after that here you can see there's a one message, nothing to show. This is important. Like when the value is not z is equals to 0, still is the same. Like we did not increment the value z equals to 1, so in that case there is a no value according to the search. In that case we have to display this message. So let's write here. Okay, we are still getting error. So why we are getting error, let's check it out. Let's close this and let's open it again. Here you can see automatically the error get removed. I think that's not loading, that's why the error is visible. So let's write the condition here. So this if z is equals to 0, in that case, and we just need to display this. Okay, close this. Okay, and let's move it here again. Let's refresh this page. So here you can see we are able to see the shoes. Let's move to the home page, and here write something which is not there. XXXY111, and let's click on this. Okay, here you can see the message, nothing to show. Let's click on search again, and let's copy this value, and let's try to search this again. Okay, we are able to see this product. Let's click on this, and let's search for the shoes. Let's go for the watch so that we have two records. Let's click on this. You can see there's two records are visible here. So search is working fine. Product you are able to see. Now we have to write the codes for the add to cart, the most important part of this. Okay, so let's start with that. Let's minimize this, and let's move to the add to cart action. So first two lines, we are going to copy this from here, these two lines. Just copy and paste this. Okay, after that we have to just start the writing the code. So first thing is string email equals to, so first we are retrieving the value from session. So here we have to write session dot get attribute, and in between email and dot to string. Okay, let's save this. After that we need to take the product ID. So string product ID is equals to request dot get parameter, and here we just need to write ID. Okay, after that we have to declare some variables. So the first variable we are taking it as int quantity, which we are going to use in here. Quantity is equals to 1. We are initializing with 1. Sorry, quantity is equals to 1. Okay, after that we have to create one more product, and here we are writing price is equals to 0. Okay, and int product total is equals to 0, and after that int cart total is equals to 0. Okay, we will check it, we will use these variables in this page one by one. After that we are here initializing one more variable, int z is equals to 0. So let's write here try block try, and catch, and here we just need to write exception. Okay, and in this we just need to display an error occur in system.out.println, and here we just need to write e. Okay, now in the try block we have to write the codes. So first we have to find the product we have or not. So connection con, or we have to retrieve that details of that product. So connection con equals to connection provider dot get con. Okay, after that we have to write a statement st equals to con dot create statement. Okay, after that we have to use result set rs equals to st dot execute query, and in between we have to write that select star from product where id is equals to single double. Okay, I deleted one. After that we have to write here product id, this one. Okay, after that we have to write here while rs dot next, and in between we have to set the values, some values. So product and product price, here we are setting in the value product price dot rs dot get int. Okay, and here we have to write the column fourth column is for price, that's why here I'm writing there, and we are taking as a int value. After that product total is equals to product. Okay, And we are also setting the product total as a product price. Okay, so just copy that, just write that. Okay, here you can see error get removed. After that, we just need to move to the next line and just need to copy this line of the code again, but that should be 1. Okay, after that we also need to change it here. So in the previous video we created a cart table, and with the and we have a product ID. Okay, and after that we are searching product ID, like the user is already the product is already exist in cart with this user, we are checking that. So and email is equals to single and double, okay, plus email. Okay, and we are also checking one more condition, that that order is placed or not. So we are directly checking that order by and address value is null or not. Okay, so null. Let's check it out here. Select star from cart where product ID and email address is null. Okay, let's move to the next line, and here you have to write while rs 1 dot next. Make sure that this should be 1, otherwise we will get error. Okay, and after that okay, we are getting error, some kind of error. Okay, yeah, I think we missed a semicolon. No, but still we are getting error. So w not should be capital small. Okay, after that here we have to say, like the product is already exist, in that case this will move to the while section. So let's check right here, cart total equals to rs1 dot get int. Okay, so here we are getting the cart total value, and the column should be 5. Let me open the database. 1 2 3 4 5, this should be the total, this one. Okay, and we are getting the value from that one if the product is already exist in that case. So after that, cart total is equals to cart total, the same, plus product total. So the value of this, we are just adding this here. Okay, and after that we just need to check the quantity, increasing the quantity is equals to rs dot get int, and here we have to write 3 because we are having the quantity in the third column, that's why we are writing here 3. Okay, after that we have to set quantity, increasing the quantity value. Quantity is equals to okay, quantity plus, oh sorry, that's my mistake, plus 1. Okay, after that here we also need to increase the value of z is equals to 1. It means that this like we already have that product, so we will increment that value and increase the total value. So in that case we are setting the value z is equals to 1, so that we are not going to insert a new product in there. Okay, or we will also update according to this. So if z is equals to 1, in that case we just need to update that value, and we have to send the response to home page. So st.execute execute update, so this double. Okay, and here we have to write the query for that. Update cart set total is equals to single, and in between double plus plus, and here we have to write cart total. Okay, and after that we have to write quantity t equals to single and double and quantity. Okay, After that, where clause we are using, where product 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 ID should be same as, okay, we already have product ID, this one, and okay, let's remove this box. Okay, let's leave that. And after that, email is equals to, according to our email, okay, email. And after email, the address also should be null. Okay, let's check it out, the complete query. Update cart state total, cart total, okay, and after that, cart total, quantity where product ID, email and address is null. Okay, let's move to the next line of this. Okay, and here we just need to send the response to another page, response.send redirect. Okay, and here we just need to write message home.jsp question mark msg equals to exist. Okay, after that, if condition is used to update already existing product. Now if z is not equals to 1, in case like we did not move to this while loop, so it means that if z value is 0, so in that case it means that we don't have that product in our cart. So we have to insert a new we have to insert the like a new product in the cart. So let's write the code for that. Prepared statement pscon dot create statement. Okay, so this one, and after that, here we have to write insert into cart, and here we have to write email product ID. After that, quantity, and this value should be the same with this. If you are making any changes, then you will get error, so make sure that this should be the matching words. Okay, price, after price there is a total. Okay, after that we have to insert the values, so values. Okay, one more thing here we did wrong, that it should be prepared statement. So prepared statement, this one. Okay, just remove this part, and here you can see error get removed. So after that, values question, here we have to insert the question mark. So we are inserting here 1 2 3 4 5. So we have to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after that, let's move to the next line, and here we have to write ps.set string, this one, and 1, and here we have to write email. Okay, let's copy this line of the code to 4 more time. 1 2 3 4. Let's change it to 2 3 4 and 5. Let's change it according to our, okay, after that, product ID, this one. After that, we need to insert the quantity. Okay, after quantity, the next is our product price, and at last we have product total. Okay, and okay, we are getting error. So it should be int, because the value should be in int form. So int, that's my mistake. Okay, just delete this part, int. Okay, just delete this also, int. Okay, after that we have to write here ps.execute update, this should be written. After that, we are able to successfully insert in our database. So we have to send the response.send redirect, and here we have to send the response to home.jsp page, with message equals to added. Okay. After that, if any error occur, in that case, we also need to display. Just copy this line over here, and here we just need to write invalid. Okay, let's save this and let's move here. Let's refresh this page and let's click OK. Let's move to the search here and let's click on add to cart. You can see product added successfully. So it means that we have some data in cart table. So select star from cart. Okay, have a look. Here you can see the email address, product ID, quantity. You can see the price and the total. Let's again click on add to cart. Something went wrong. Okay, it means that any exception has been generated. We did something wrong here. That's why operation not it. Okay, I got it. We are using this here. Here you can see I said now we did something wrong. Here we have to write 1 because we are using result set this one. Okay, that's why we are getting this error. So you have to follow this correctly. Let's again refresh this page and let's click on add to cart. Okay, still we are getting the error. Okay, we having a exception. Okay, syntax error to near null. Okay, I think got the issue. Here this one is a product ID is like we have a int value. So we are inserting as a text. So we just need to delete this too and let's save this. After that, let's again refresh this page and let's try to add to cart. Okay, we are still getting the same error. Okay, let me check it again here. So in the line number 32, you can see we just written this in here. So we have to write here is. After that, save this and let's refresh this page again and let's click on add to cart. Here you can see product already exists in your cart. Quantity increased. We are getting that this message. Let's click on this add to cart. Product added successfully. Let's click on again is this product already exists. We are getting the message according to this. We are clicking on this. Let's check our database. Select start from cart. Here you can see we having a product ID 1, quantity 2 and the total is 1000. And here you can see there is a quantity 2, we having the value is this, price is this and the total is this multiplied by 2. Okay. So this is all about home part of user modules. I hope you guys like this video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.